stop at the S. So when we
Whoa, person just ran over.
yeah, and not so good. That stuff. Holy shit. Oh, hold on, let me call 911.
Jesus. It's hold on. BYWJ124. He just kept driving.
Yeah. Police and maybe ambulance? We are on Eglinton going eastbound, approaching Don Mills.
Drunk driver.
I think it's a drunk driver. The guy was swerving all over the road, went off onto the curb, smashed through a sign, went back onto the road, and he's driving at like 80 kilometers an hour, going in between lanes.
BYWJ124.
He went off the road. He's about to smash into another car! Oh my god! Oh my god, right at the corner of Don Mills and Eglinton. You gotta get ambulance here right away.